Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, welcome to Cambrian Virtual Classroom. This class is conducted by Muhammad Abdullah, Assistant Teacher, Department of English, BSB Cambrian Education Group. Dear students, welcome once again to our English class. Dear students, before starting the class, let's see some pictures. Students, look at this picture. This is Mina. Mina is a good girl. We can also say Mina is not a bad girl. Let's see another picture. You see, this is Bangladesh cricket team. And we love our cricket team. Dear students, if we want, we can say this sentence in another way. What is that? We do not hate our cricket team. Look at this, dear students. There are two sentences and the pattern is different, but actually their meaning is similar. Dear students, look at this. This is strawberry, very nice fruit, and this is an apple. I like both apple and strawberry. Instead of this sentence, I can also say, I like not only apple, but also strawberry. Dear students, all these pictures, all these sentences actually describes our today's lesson. So, I think all of you have already understood today's topic. Today's topic is changing sentences from affirmative to negative. Dear students, in this class, I will discuss some rules how to change from affirmative to negative sentences. Dear students, I hope all of you will be patient and all of you will be attentive in the class and learn the rules so that you can change these sentences very easily. I will show you some techniques, some rules. These are very fantastic. You will learn them very easily. Let's start our class today. Dear students, these are the learning outcomes. You will get all of them after finishing this class. Students, we are going to start our first rules. Look at this. Rules number 1. We are learning changing sentences from affirmative to negative. Now, look at this first rules. In these rules, you will get only. That means, in an affirmative sentence, you will get only and then you will have to change it into negative sentence. How can you will do this? Look at this, dear students. If you find the word only and then the next word is a person, then you must write none but. Instead of none but, you will write what? None but in a negative sentence and then the sentence will be changed and it will be a negative sentence. On the other hand, if you find only in an affirmative sentence and then thing means any substance, any matters or anything else but not the person. Okay, then what will you do? You will not write only in this negative sentence, rather than you will write nothing but. Instead of only, you will write nothing but and surely you will get a negative sentence. Dear students, look at this, the system 3. There are 3 ways you will have to change the affirmative sentence into negative and this is the third number, only. You will have to change only. But remember one thing, if you find any word like number or age that describes any number, describes anybody's age, then you will have to change only and you will write not more than or not less than. Dear students, these are the rules. This is the first rules and let's see some examples and I will make you clear. Inshallah, you will be very understand this lesson carefully. Dear students, look at this. I will give you 2 sentences and these are affirmative sentences and I will show you how to change this sentence. You will look this and you will learn this very carefully, dear students. Look at this. There are 2 sentences. The first one is only you can help me and look at this, there is only. The word only includes only. And then in the second sentence you will see only, but. What is the difference between the two sentences? Look at this. In the first sentence you will see only, and then the next word is you. That means it is related to person. Okay, you means it is describing somebody, it is telling about somebody, but only then education. It is not describing anybody, rather it is describing for something. Dear students, how to change this sentence from affirmative to negative? Okay, please be attention and look at this. You will change only the word. Just write none but here. Just write none but. You can see none but. I am not writing only in this negative sentence. I am writing none but. And then the rest of the sentence will remain the same. And you will get negative. I will make you clear once again. Look at this. In the first sentence you see only the word, and then the next word is you. And it is related to person. Okay. So if you find this kind of sentence, just omit only the word from the sentence and just write none but. Instead of only, you will write none but, and then you will get a negative sentence. Okay? And then look at the second sentence. Only education can remove the darkness. Look at this. Only the word includes with the sentence, and then the next word is education. Okay? So how to change this sentence? Dear students, you will have to write nothing but. How to change? Look at this. I am not writing only in this sentence. Rather, I am writing none but, nothing but. Look at this. None but is related to the person, and nothing but is related to thing, any substance, any matters. Dear students, we get nothing but education can remove the darkness. We have already completed two sentences, and let's see another example for the first rules. Dear students, you will see Sabina is only 5 years old. Look at this. You will get only our topic and the rules 1 include only, and then look at the next word. Next word is 5. Okay. So Sabina is only 5 years old. Here only, after you will get 5, and 5 describes the age of Sabina, and it is about number. So how to change this sentence from affirmative to negative? Dear students, I have already told you that if you find any number or is it related to any age of any person, then what to do? Look at this. I am giving you the sentence and I will explain this. Look at this. Sabina is not more than 5 years old. What does it mean? Sabina is not more than. Look at this. I am changing the word. Okay. Instead of only, I am writing not more than in this sentence, and then you will get the negative sentence. Look at this once again. Sabina is not more than 5 years old. So you will find that all these parts of the sentence will remain same, and you will change the word only. Instead of only, if you write not more than, you will get a negative sentence. Dear students, look at this. If you can also change this sentence in another way. What is this? Look at this. Sabina is not less than 5 years old. Dear students, it is very amazing, very fantastic rules. You can write all of them. Okay, this is the option. You can write not more than or not less than in a sentence. Dear students, we have already learned, and I think you love this class, you love these rules. This is very easy rules. Okay, so we have already completed rules 1. Let's go for the next rules. Dear students, look at this. This is rules 2. And you find must in affirmative sentence, and you will have to change it into negative. And there are 2 ways to change the sentence from affirmative to negative. Affirmative sentence includes must, and you will have to change it into negative. How to do? Okay, look at this. I am giving you the example. Look at this. Affirmative sentence. We must eat food to live. So this sentence includes must. Okay. So if we want to change this sentence from affirmative to negative, what to do? Look at this. Just we are going to change this sentence from affirmative to negative. Just we will not write must here. Rather than we will write we cannot but. Look at this. We cannot but. So we are not writing must. Just omit this word from this sentence, from the negative sentence, and then affirmative sentence will turn into a negative sentence. Look at this. we must eat food to live. Rather than in a negative sentence, we are writing, we cannot but eat food to live. So, how did you do this? Dear students, look at this. We have omitted must, and instead of must, we are writing cannot but, and we will get a negative sentence. Dear students, we can also write this sentence in another way. Do you know what is this? Look at this. We cannot help eating food to live. Students, you will find this, that we cannot help. If you use this word help, then surely you must add ing with the main verb. Look at this. I am using ing with eat verb. The main verb is eat, and I am using eating. Look at this. We cannot help eating food to live. Dear students, I have a recommendation to you. If you find any sentence we must eat or anything other else but includes with must, then I think you should better use we cannot but eat food. This structure is easier than that. Okay, so this is my recommendation, that you always try to write this thing, because you may forget to add ing with we cannot help. But a question arises here. So, if this rules is easy, then why should I learn this kind of more difficult sentence here? The answer is that if you do not learn this kind of sentence, suppose in your examination, you may get this kind of sentence in your examination, and you will feel problem. How to do? Oh, I don't know. The teacher has not taught us about this sentence change. So how to do? You don't know. That's why I am teaching you, I am showing you how to do this. Dear students, just remember one thing. If you use help, you must add ing with the main verb. I think all of you got my point. Dear students, let's go for the next rules. Students, look at the book please. I am giving you the third rules for today, and this rules includes every. That means in an affirmative sentence, you will every in the sentence. Look at this sentence. Every rose has a thorn. So you get every in this sentence. Look at this. You get every in this sentence. Then if you want to change this kind of sentence, what to do? Just do not write every in the negative sentence. Rather than we will write there is no ... and in this ... you will write the next word of every, and then the rest of the sentence will remain the same. Dear students, let's solve the example and you will understand this very clearly. Look at this, dear students. Affirmative sentence, every rose has a thorn. Instead of this sentence, we are writing there is no rose but has a thorn. So we are not writing every here. Just look at this. There is no. Instead of every, write there is no. Okay. And then the next word is rose. And so from the sentence pattern, from the rules, you get but. From where? There is no but. But how did you get but here? Look at this, dear students. This is our rules. That means there is no ... means the next word of every. Then you write but from the structure, from the pattern, rules pattern, and you write all the same. The sentences, other ingredients or other parts of the sentence will remain the same, and you will get the sentence very easily. Dear students, I have already showed you the structure, and you may change this kind of lot of sentences as you wish. Okay, let's go for the next class. Dear students, this is rules number 4, and you will find both ... and or simply and in an affirmative sentence. And to change this kind of sentence, just write instead of both, write not only in the negative sentence, and instead of and, you will write but also. Let's have a sentence here, and you will get it very easily. Look at this. This is an affirmative sentence. I like both novel and poetry. Look at this. I like both novel and poetry. So you find these two words, both and. Okay. To change this negative sentence, you will have to write instead of both, you will write not only, and instead of and, you will write but also. Then you will get a negative sentence. Okay, let's see the answer. Look at this. I will show you what is here. I like not only novel but also poetry. Look at this. Just instead of both, write not only here, and instead of and, write but also. then you will get the affirmative sentence into a negative form. Dear students, remember this thing. If you find both or and, just write not only instead of both and but also instead of and, then you will get a negative sentence. Dear students, now look at this, the simple and. The sentence pattern may be different, but the structure of the negative sentence will be same. Okay, have a look. Students, look at the sentence affirmative. I eat rice and curry. Just you are getting one word, and that is and. And this is different from the first sentence, first example of affirmative sentence. But if you want to change this sentence into negative, then you will have to maintain the pattern, the second pattern. Just write but also from the first word and not only from the first word and but also before the second word. Look at this. I am giving you the answer. I eat and the rice is the first word and just write not only before the first word. This is the first word rice. I eat not only rice and the second word is what? Curry. Just write but also before the second word. Look at this. You will get the answer very easily. Just write not only before the first word and secondly but also before the second word and you will get the answer. Dear students, have a look. It is very easy to understand, easy to learn. I think all of you have understood today's lessons. Dear students, we have already reached the age of this class. Now I will give you another rules and inshallah we will be finished the class very soon. Look at this. Dear students, this is rules number 5. You will see that the affirmative sentence includes always. What does it mean? In an affirmative sentence, you will get always and you will have to change this sentence from always to never. But there are some other talks, there are some other rules. You will have to see, you will have to watch, you will have to understand very carefully so that no what may miss from you. Look at this, dear students. I am giving it as an example and I will make you understand very clearly. Look at this example. He is always punctual. And you find the always the what. But look at the second word. Look at the what after always. This is punctual. And I have already make it another change. What? Make it the change of color. Punctual and this is an adjective. But we will have to change the adjective. We will have to change the opposite word to make the sentence from affirmative to negative. How did I tell you? At first, we will have to change always into never. That means instead of always, you will write never in the negative sentence. But one thing more, what is that? That is very important for you. You will not write punctual here. Just you will write the opposite word from this adjective or adverb and you will get the negative word. Okay, let's solve this problem. Dear students, look at this word. Negative sentence. He is never late. So I am using never. Always the opposite word is never. Okay, and punctual. If you write this sentence, he is never late, what does it mean? It means he is always punctual. But if you don't change the second word, if you write he is never punctual, then the sense of the sentence will be changed. But dear students, you cannot change the meaning. You cannot change the sense of the sentence from the changing sentence. Changing sentence means the pattern will be changed, but the meaning will remain the same. So dear students, look at the sentence. If you change the first word always, and then if you want to write in a negative sense, just write never, and instead of punctual, you will write late. And following these rules, you can also change other sentences, just whatever it is you wish. I will show you some examples in the evaluation part. Dear students, I have already told you that we are going to finish this class very soon, and this is the rules number 5. There are also other rules, and inshallah I will take another classes on affirmative to negative sentences, and inshallah we will solve many problems and you will learn any simple rules there. Dear students, let's see some evaluation for you. Dear students, Here I will show you some sentences, and according to our rules, today's rules, you will have to change these sentences. Okay, no problem. I will make you solution for you. Look at this. This is the first sentence. She likes only chocolate. And remember about rules number 1, only. The word only includes in this sentence. She likes only chocolate. So I have colored this word only. That means you will have to do some work here, and you will need to change from affirmative to negative sentence in this criteria. So what is the answer? Can you guess? Anybody please? Okay, I will give you the answer. She likes only, then the next word is chocolate, and this is not related to any person or any age, rather it is related to something, substance or some matters. So we can say she likes nothing but chocolate. Dear students, I repeat, she likes nothing but chocolate. So instead of only, we are using nothing but. Dear students, let's see the next sentence, sentence number 2. He always speaks the truth. Okay, he always speaks the truth. So you have already learned 5 rules in the class, but I have arranged this sentence in jumble, not according to the rules serial, and I have not arranged the sentence according to that. Okay, he always speaks the truth. So if you want to change this sentence into negative, at first you will have to change the always, the word, into negative form, and that is never. What does it mean? He never, and then he never speaks the truth. Is it correct? No, it will be wrong. So what is the correct answer for this sentence? He never tells a lie. Dear students, you cannot say he speaks a lie, rather you should say tell a lie. He never tells a lie. Okay, let's see the third sentence. You must do your duty. So the sentence includes must here. The sentence includes must, and you find must. So what to do? You will have to change this sentence from affirmative to negative. Now how to do? Look at this. Just change this sentence must, and you will get your answer. You cannot but. You cannot but do your duty. Just do not write must in the negative sentence. Instead of must, you write cannot but. You cannot but what? You cannot but do your duty. You can also write other things, and I have already told you that is difficult. So you can omit that, you can skip that. Just you can write, you cannot but helping, you cannot but help doing your duty. So I think it is more difficult. So you can skip that, just write, you cannot but do your duty. This is a bit easy. Okay, dear students, look at sentence number 4. Every son respects his mother. Every son respects his mother. So every, the word is every. So we want to say that there is no son but respects his mother. There is no son but respects his mother. Okay, dear students, then sentence number 5. Look at this. She likes both chocolate and ice cream. She likes both chocolate and ice cream. Did you get the point? What kind of rules you will have to apply this here? Can you tell me? Look at this. Instead of both, you just write not only. And instead of and, you just write but also. Then you will get a negative sentence. Okay, I am telling you. She likes not only chocolate but also ice cream. Dear students, all these sentences telling our rules or 5 rules, inshallah, I think all of you have understood today's lesson. And look at these pictures. I will give you some exercise, and you will have to do at home, and you must submit to me. Dear students, there are 5 sentences for you, and you will have to change these sentences and you will submit to me. Okay, only Allah can save us. Look at this. This is the hints only. Okay, this sentence includes only. Look at the second sentence. I have only 5 taka. This sentence also includes only, but the change is anywhere else. Look at this. You can understand, I think. And then look at the third sentence. We must obey our parents. Look at this. Must include the word must. So this is the area to change into negative. And the fourth sentence, every mother loves her child. Every mother loves her child. So this is the item, this is the main point to change from affirmative to negative. And the last sentence, she likes both chocolate and ice cream. Dear students, you can change this sentence very easily. So dear students, we will have to finish this class for today, but I am inviting you to watch our next classes, and inshallah you will learn a lot from me, and you will learn from a lot from Cambrian Virtual Classroom. And I would like to thank you to join in this class, and thank you very much. May Allah bless you and be safe and keep well. Allah Hafiz.